Do what?
Of course, it's the longest train ever.
All right, just in time for you.
Making a video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got a YouTube channel. So.
Nice. Are you from here in Lafayette?
I used to be. I work here every night, but we live up by Monticello.
Gotcha.
So, but I work here every night, so
Okay.
it's my hometown. So.
Yeah.
Yep.
I do film sometimes, but I call a camera.
Oh, really? Okay.
I film weddings, commercials, music videos.
Oh, okay.
Really anything.
Cool. Anything can be entertaining,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. What's your YouTube channel?
What is it?
Yeah.
GMF train videos. It's my initials, yep.
Okay. What, like, training, like, what do you do?
Film trains.
I thought you meant training, like, as in training in whatever field, but trains, I got you.
Oh, yeah.
Cool. So, like, what do you do? Like,
Just upload them. And,
yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Just for fun, you know?
Yeah.
They run different kinds of cool stuff sometimes.
Okay.
So. What was I going to say?
Hope you're not going to
Oh, no. It's fine. And like abandoned railroads sometimes, you know, just whatever I got the time for.
I always thought it'd be cool to go to like places that you're not supposed to go to, like whether it's, I don't know. Have you heard of like, there's the Opera House in Damsel, Illinois. There's probably haunted places around here. Just like, kind of,
Yeah.
I feel like maybe that'd be something maybe you might do along with the train and stuff.
Yeah.
And railroads.
Yeah, and depending, you know, whatever I'm in the mood for,
Yeah.
really. So most of the time, though, it's just trains passing through. 'Cause,
Yeah.
you know, they run all sorts of different stuff. Sometimes they can slap something good, like a good engine or something on there. So, yeah, for the most part, just this. Do you live right around here then?
I literally live in that White House next to the tracks. Like,
Oh, okay.
You can't see it behind all the trees.
Oh, okay.
I'm just going to grab food. I'm like, of course this would happen.
Only way it could get worse if it were to slow and stop, right?
It usually does. Like, I will not be surprised if this stops. Because I'll be at my house and I'll have my windows down, and they can hear all the trains and all the traffic out here sitting waiting to honk in.
Right. That's why sometimes if I film down that way, because they'll stop as they're merging onto the other tracks down there. Oh, sometimes if I'm down there and I hear them hit the brakes, I'm like, shoot, because I'll be stuck on one side with my vehicle on the other.
Do you have a drone?
I do, but I've never used it.
No?
So, no. Well, because it takes like 6 batteries, and I've been meaning to try and like get it up and running.
Well, what kind of drone you got? Mine has 1 battery. I got maybe an older one, maybe?
I think so. And so I just haven't gotten to it yet. They're
fun.
Busy and running around. Oh yeah, I've watched drone videos of many trains.
You could get some cool stuff with the trains.
Oh yeah.
Trying to follow it, track it.
Yeah, and with those you can kind of get places where you're not supposed to go, you know. So. Hopefully your food's not too cold by the time you get back.
It probably will be. Look, I want to draw dicks all over that one there.
Oh, haha. Didn't see that at first, but you'll actually see that more often than you think. And I'm an independent contractor.
Oh yeah?
Cleaning, so yeah, if I know a train's running, I can leave and come get it real fast.
So you knew this was happening?
Yep. Yep, there's actually more that are supposed to come in the same direction.
Oh, you got it, like, you looked it up or something?
Oh yeah, no, I got this little scanner thing that...
Wow, I need one of those. So I know when it's coming by.
Right. Oh yeah, because they'll always announce when they're leaving the yard over there. Or if they're coming in, yeah, so... That's one benefit of it.
See that?
Oh, if it stops right near the end of the train, that's going to kind of...
I'm going under the train.
But what were you saying?
I will go walk around. Have you seen that viral video on TikTok that people are now sharing, screenshotting and sharing on Facebook, Instagram, with this train longer than this one. This guy's just sitting there by this building, and this train comes by, and you're like, wait for it, wait for it. There are thousands of tanks and army vehicles, whatever's going on. I don't know where this is at, and they were transferring a bunch of those. And it's like, why?
Right?
Or maybe it has nothing to do with here, but it was interesting.
Yeah, no, I haven't seen
I mean,
that.
the train was, I'd never seen so many tanks.
Really?
Yeah. Look it up. Just look up, it's probably on YouTube somewhere, screenshot from TikTok, and just look up viral train video with tank, whatever. I mean, you'll find it. It'll probably pop up.
All right, will do.
Nice meeting you, man.
Enjoy, nice meeting you.